Hello and welcome to another edition of At Home with Winning Appliances. I'm Bronte, Culinary Expert. Today we're in the Winning Appliances kitchen cooking with Gaggeneau. Today we'll be making a super simple recipe with just 5 ingredients. It's an immunity soup with pumpkin, carrot, onion, garlic and ginger. So we've got about 1 kilo of pumpkin and carrot here that I've pre-chopped. We'll just put this onto the baking tray. With the onion, just a single onion, and dress that with olive oil, salt, and pepper. Sprinkle the garlic over. That's always nice when it's caramelized. And we'll put those into roast for about 45 minutes until they're nice and crispy on 190 degrees in our Gaggeneau. The vegetables are looking beautiful and crispy and caramelized, so I'm going to get them out of the oven now. Ooh, that garlic smells good. Now we're going to pop these straight into the Vitamix. Just grab some tongs and we'll pop all of this into the Vitamix. Gaggeneau is a German luxury brand. It is every home cook's dream. They're 80% hand assembled and one of the top 10 luxury brands in the world, up there with Rolex and Rolls-Royce. We'll add a teaspoon of crushed ginger. And here I have some chicken stock. Now this I want to talk about. What we do here in the Winning's kitchen is pre-make massive batches of chicken stock with leftover vegetable peelings and whatever bones we may have, and then vac seal them into bags and place them in the freezer so we can use when we need them. So I'm going to be adding the chicken stock into the blender. Start with around 250 mils. You can always add more if the texture isn't right. Pop on the lid. Always start the Vitamix on low speed. Here and here, because otherwise it can be very messy. Adjust it as you go. I'm going to add a little bit more stock. And keep blending. So that's ready to go. It has completely pureed the vegetables. Vitamix really are a very powerful mixer. It's like having a commercial grade mixer in your home. So this is ready to serve. Grab your bowl, pour straight in, and garnish with whatever herbs you may have in the fridge. And there it is, our 5-ingredient pumpkin immunity soup. Follow us on Instagram and check out our website for more recipes like this one. See you next time.